Okay, it's live.
It's loud.
It's not have it on me.
Yes, there's a computer.
Okay, so I guess we just go over the review thing first. Got the assignment. Because I don't know how else to get Trevor on it, so just do this.
Yeah, everybody's favorite one.
Okay. What notification is used to denote the probability of an event occurring? So it's the P of X. And then please state and describe the 3 rules of probability. A probability is a number between 0 and 1. And the second rule is if you list all of the outcomes of a probability, experiment the probability that one of these outcomes will occur is 1. In other words, the sum of the probabilities in any probability is 1. So just 1 minus whatever, everything has to add up to 1. And the probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur.
So whatever else it takes for it to get to 1.
Yeah.
Just say, what is the magic number?
Yeah.
What does it mean to be random? When something is random, it follows a long-term pattern, but we usually do not know the outcome of the next experiment. And what does the phrase discrete random variable mean? A discrete random variable is something that varies on a specific pattern or distribution over the long run. They are discrete if they can be adjusted.
Can we scoot over there and then agree?
Sure. This is. Doesn't matter. Do this. You come over here. I don't like that we have to record things. I wouldn't record it.
I'll be honest, I don't like it either.
I emailed Sister Withers and I was like, do we have to do this? And she's like, yes.
We're down here.
Which is a 4-sided die.
Yeah.
4 possible outcomes for each roll, and if you're 4, calculate the mean of the discrete random variable. Oh, look.
Hey.
Hey, Trevor.
Oh, no.
So we're just going over the review thing right now.
I figured I was following along.
So we're on question 5.
We're here.
Good, very good.
So the probability of 1 equals 2.5 times 1, or 0.25 times 1, which is the same for all of them because you only have 4. And there's a 1 in 4 chance of getting each one.
Yeah.
So your total mean is 2.5.
I can't really see it.
You can't read that from there? Okay.
Just because the brightness on the screen is not very bright right now. There we go. Okay, so calculate the standard deviation of this discrete random variable. So you just take, for like the first one, you do 1 minus 2.5, which is the mean, and then you'll square it and times it by the probability, which is 0.25. So you add all of those up and you get 1.25 for the variance, and then you square root that to get the standard deviation of 1.118. So that's the review. I don't know, does anyone have any questions on it? I didn't feel like it was too hard, but
It was pretty straightforward.
Yeah. You can calculate all this online too, well, on Excel.
yeah. I didn't even know that I could do that. That's awesome.
Make a scientific calculator.
Yes. That's sweet. Okay. I mean, so if no one has any questions or anything, let's just do the quiz. Yeah.
No, I can just put it on there.
You can do it. You can just grab your laptop. She doesn't care if it. she
Yeah, but
just-
then it's gonna record my face.
You can make it so that it only shows your screen. That way it
Yeah,
doesn't
that's
record your
okay. We can do
face.
that.
Screen share.
Yeah, just do that. That way it doesn't show your
You don't have
face.
to be staring at you.
Because I hate that too.
You talking to me?
No, we're just talking about he doesn't want it to record his face the whole time.
While we're taking the quiz.
So
Eric doesn't?
No.
No.
there. Oh, present. There you go.
There, now we can take a quiz. Each member of the group must take their own. I completed the individual. See you.
Let's see.
Okay, so that one's true. It's a probability distribution.
Yes.
Just because, yeah.
They all add up to 1.
Yeah, they all add up to 1.
What is the probability of a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood?
So isn't that just 0.45?
Yeah.
So then the probability that someone will not have type O blood is 1 minus 0.45.
So 0.55.
Let's see. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs are trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle one of the dogs demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls contained urine, were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability they will correctly identify? 16.7%.
0.167 or 1.
Round it to 3 decimals, it says.
0.167 then.
Okay.
In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? There is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
Little.
No, there's strong evidence.
There it is.
Yeah. And for number 6, how did you guys get that? Isn't it just 1 divided by 7? Shouldn't it be 0.143?
But there's only 6 samples.
There's 7
There's
samples.
7
7.
samples.
Yeah.
Then
So it's 1 divided by 7,
one is
and then it's 0.1428, but you just round it to 3, so it's 0.143.
M&Ms are small chocolate candies. M&M's website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy?
0.113.
Yeah. Right there on the side. Can't read the chart. You're in trouble.
Yeah.
and for green.
Probability of so.
So you just add them all up and
Or you just take 1 and then start subtracting them.
yeah.
.16.
Yeah.
What do you guys got?
0.16,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then not green, 184.
What the fuck?
The UCT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States. Kind of sounds like BYUI. Were taken from Cadix.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Blah, blah, blah. Use information from the public university to answer the following questions. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
So that's the median.
24.
So it's 24.
And the top 25% scored above what number?
So it's Q3, 27.
Oh. Which of the following statements is not one of the three rules of probability? The first one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Probability is high, then the probability is positive. If it's low, then it's negative.
That's not
It
even.
is false.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool. Too bad every week isn't this easy.
100 it
I
says.
know. Sweet.
That's it.
100.
Well, oh, how'd you get over here? Did you crawl over here?
There's always that little like worry in the group quiz where you hit send and you might get something that everyone else didn't.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Like, you want to be the first to submit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, sweet. So I mean,
It doesn't matter.
we're all done with all of that. I mean, seems like everyone got it. Any questions or anything? Oh, lucky me.
Throw both of you back on the bus. Questions? No?
No.
Okay. Well,
Objections?
as far as like our group meeting time,
Twice a week.
yeah, or we could just do one really long meeting, I think. Couldn't we? Just knock all out at once.
I mean, if we wanted to, I'm sure we could.
Yeah,
But they have to be before Tuesday.
we'd have to do like all the prep and everything before.
I think do that 2 weeks. Okay.
Okay, sweet.
That'd be okay.
And I mean, where's easiest for you guys to meet? Is the library better, or is here good? Or is this time 7 o'clock?
I still ride my bike in the rain, so wherever's fine. I just today it's raining.
Yeah, no, that's understandable.
Here is fine.
Okay. So I mean, we'll just meet here on Thursday at 7.
I can do that.
And
Okay.
do we still want to
Second
do
floor.
Third floor. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's like you just come off the elevator, and it's literally right off the elevator. It's just
Yeah.
a room that looks like this.
Just in the studio.
I lived there last semester, so
Oh, okay. Sweet. Yeah. So yeah, I think we're good then. So
Sounds good.
nice.
all right.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Let's stop this.
Yeah. I'm done.